Right, so today is Monday morning. We've just got ready and we're going to head out because I need to deliver a parcel, and we are also going to go adventure Caithness and find some birdies so I can paint them this week, because that's the next load of stuff I'm painting is at birds. Adventure Caithness and have a lovely time. Hello. Are we adventuring Caithness today?
What do you say? I don't know. This is your video.
As you see before you, the lake is frozen.
Loch.
The loch is frozen. And it's pretty nice. At Donut Head, where we are going to try and find some birds. And at the minute there are no birds. So we are at Donut Head, and Donut Head is the most northerly point of Scotland mainland, and there are multiple birdies that you can see. Not today because I think it's too cold, but we get puffins here and razorbills and lots of other seabirds. Not today though. I've tried. Yeah. Right. So we have been to Donut Head to try and find pictures of birds, to try and find birdies, and there were none because it was far too cold, and there was just gulls, lots and lots of scories. So now we're on our way to Newton Forest Walk to try and find more birdies, but it's probably too cold. And then that's probably and then mulled wine with Mary and John. Good morning, guys.
Hello.
Attempt number 2 to find the birds of Caithness. So yesterday we went all around, but it was a bit too late and I think a bit too cold for them, and we went all around the coast. So today we're going to go to more of a foresty walk and a bit closer by as well, so hopefully it won't get so dark so quickly. And yeah, we'll try and find birds. And so it's a 8-mile walk altogether. So we're in a big old forest called Blinder trying to find birds, and I've got my camera. It's 10 miles. It's massive. Yeah, it goes on and on. We're kind of just like in a cross section at the minute, and I'm hearing lots of birds, but we're not seeing any birds. Yeah. So instead of finding lovely little birds, we've actually found really cool mushrooms. So we've found, I think, hen and chicken, or chicken on the woods, something like that. And a stinkhorn and a couple other little tiny ones that I don't actually know just yet. So we'll figure that one out. But I've taken some nice videos of it, and that's pretty cool. We all like mushrooms, so yeah. We just saw birdies! So we saw, I think, definitely a chaffinch, definitely a little goldfinch, and then I'm not too sure, maybe a robin as well. But yeah, that was quite sweet. Chris was whistling and they were kind of whistling back, and it was quite cute. Yeah. So I'm happy. At least we saw some birds. I know they're like little garden birds, but at least it's something. So Yeah. It's awful cold.
Minus 3
There's -3.
degrees
It's
Celsius.
awful cold in the Highlands of Scotland. Okay, thanks. I don't know what else to say. What else should I say?
Thank you.
Thank you for viewing my thing.
Subscribe 30 viewers.
And if you want to subscribe to get maybe another video. Maybe one more in my lifetime. And then I'll delete them all and try again next month.